This is an old ariens hydrostatic 46-inch cut, I think is what it is. I drug up from the Boneyard. Gonna do a old start, cold start, what have you on it. One of those kind of videos. And I've been messing with it for a few minutes and kind of changed my mind. I don't think I'm gonna do that. Can y'all see that? Yep, it's ventilated. So you know what happens now. That is a future victim for the Devil's Forge. I should have known when I saw that piece of aluminum laying on the side of it. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna yank this thing off. This is gonna be a repower. I got some more engines over there. I think we're gonna throw one of them on it. Anyway, I'll take y'all along for the ride like I always do. See y'all in a little while.
Get out of here, Brian.
Hey guys, y'all are on camera. Everybody say hello. I got y'all all.
How y'all doing?
I got y'all on camera.
Hello? Hey, John. What safety? That's a cute camera there.
Stacey got us on camera.
Y'all are going to be part of one of my videos.
Hello? Hello? That camera looks like the size that came from Terry Woodburn. Call me now. Look, I'll be back.
Yeah, but if Terry uses my camera, he's got to pay me 50%. I'm gonna mute up and shoot the last of this video real quick. Anyway, guys, it's my redneck stacker buddies. My phone went dead. Well, my iPad went dead. My phone still works. This is the original motor that came off of the Ariens that I was going to do an old start, cold start on, and we found out that it had a little issue. Anyway, I got it stripped down where y'all can see the issue a little better. It's ventilated itself. Anyway, this was a 20 horse single cylinder Briggs & Stratton. I'm gonna keep the head off of it. I'm gonna do some work on the head and use it on a race motor, but I mean, for a single cylinder, it's got a big old bore in it. Anyway, I'll show y'all what I put on it. Okay, this is it. It's all back together. And I put a 19.5 horse Briggs & Stratton single cylinder on it. There is no difference between them. The machine starts up, it runs good. Here, I'll start it up for y'all. Got to push in the clutch, stupid. runs good. Hell, the headlights even work. I mowed about 3/4 of an acre with it yesterday. It mows great. Anyway, this one will be up for sale. I got a guy probably gonna buy it already. Anyway, thanks for watching. We're gonna have another some more of these Ressurected junkyard mowers. There's another one in the works. That's a Cub Cadet 1050. It's got a 50-inch deck to it. And y'all are looking at a future victim of the devil for it. Y'all have a good one. And just bring it.